Hello and welcome to a new episode in JavaScript about how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today we will discuss about Boolean in JavaScript guide. We will try to learn how to use this Boolean in JavaScript. What is the logical operator with Boolean, and how to create function using this Boolean value. We will pass through normal function with Boolean values, function with an array of Boolean, or function with an object of Boolean. These Boolean are a good approach for coding, because using this Boolean you can create a lot of scenarios. Okay, let's start it. We will begin with logical operators with basic Boolean operation, and I will create 3 variables and I assign it value true or false. I create first is sun equal true, is warm equal false, is cold equal true. And now I will log. When you work with Boolean you can use AND operator, OR operator, negation or double negation. Let's see this example with AND. This is AND operator. This AND is sun equal true. True. Here I have true, no. And is cold equal true. True and true. When you use this AND, the both variable should be true. Or here I have true and true, I log true, it's okay. And if I change here false and again false, it's false. But false and true, it's also false. I have true just when the both variables are true. It's mandatory both to be true when I use this AND. Now I use OR operator. When you use OR operator, just one should be true. Here is sun equal true, I have one, is warm equal false, sorry, and I have true. Is sunny, sorry, sunny is warm, but I have this sign. And now it's true. I have twice true. For negation is this sign. Is sunny is true, no? The value for is sunny is true. But if you put this sign before variable, you have negation is sunny. I negate this variable. Is sunny true, negate true is false. And if I have double negation, if I have one negation, I have false, and I put again this sign and I have true. No, is sunny is true, and if I have double, mean also true. Double negation is confirmation, if you want, is true. Okay, this is a simple logical operator. Let's start now with a simple function, and I will comment it, and I will delete. The second, Control Z. Okay, again. Okay, let me to delete. I will create a variable. Let it raining. Console.log this variable should to be true, no? Console log is raining is true. Okay, I will. It's okay to use this console.log when you debugging, or maybe where you write code, because you can you can track the variable, you can see the value of this, and the value for is raining is true. I will create an if else, and I write if is raining, that means if is true. If is raining, no? If is true, take umbrella, else you don't need umbrella. What do you think will be the result? Take umbrella. Why? Because my variable is true, and when it's true, just if from function will be executed. Here is if. When if is executed, that means is true. But if I put here false, you guess what happened here. When it's true, in a if else function, the first part if will be executed, but when it's false, the second else will be executed. You don't need umbrella. Correct. I change again in true, and first part will be executed. Take umbrella. Okay, I will comment this, and I will show you a simple way for if you have one or two, maybe three, if you can make chaining operation with ternary operator. Okay, I will make this if else, but with ternary operator. I have this variable true, and just in one line I write is raining, take umbrella, else you don't need umbrella. You have take umbrella. I change here, please. Okay, I execute the code, take umbrella, please, with the ternary operator. And if I put here false, a Boolean value false, sorry, Okay, this is you don't need umbrella because the else will be executed when it's false, when it's true first, because this is the logical operation when you work with if else function. Okay, here I let me to comment. We have this function, but inside the function I can to set another value from is raining. I can to set false. Initially it's true. Now when I start the code, let me to show you. Initially I have this is raining true, but inside the function I will change it in false. I create a function, and after this I will call the function for execution. Initially is raining equal true. I create a function and I set this variable is raining to false. Now my value for is raining is false, and now I write again this function is the same with this, but now because I have here false and I am inside the function, the else will be executed because is false, and should be you don't need umbrella. You don't need umbrella. Doesn't matter if here you have true, because inside the function you set a new value false for this true. Okay. Or 9 per second. This Boolean value, this variable, usually you work with it in a simple form, but you can have multiple Boolean and you can put it in a or array or in an object. For example, I will create in the next example, I will create an array of Boolean. Okay. I have here an array of Boolean. Let other conditions, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Boolean values, 5 variable, true, false, true. This variable represent for each day value. Let's now to look through it, this array, and to display a Boolean value. Okay, I have a Boolean variable, an array. I have an array with Boolean values, and after I iterate through this weather condition array. Here I put a condition. If weather condition of weather condition of index console.log day index plus 1 take umbrella, else day index plus 1 it's a wonderful day. Okay, let me put here day. What weather condition of what means this weather condition of this means a way to access a value in an array. Weather condition of when is 0 is true, and here condition is if weather condition, and put here 0. No, if weather condition 0, the element 0 from array, console.log, let me to see what happens. Take umbrella, take umbrella, take umbrella, because it's true. My condition is true if weather condition 0, and if I put here weather condition 1, 0, 1, I have false. It's a wonderful day for in all this aspect, but I want to take one by one, and I want to take dynamically, and this index is a good approach. Now index is 0, take umbrella, is true, correct. Index is 1, false, execute else, it's a wonderful day, correct. Index 2, it's true, take umbrella. Index 4 is false, it's a wonderful day, and index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is true, take umbrella, because it's true, and first part of if will be executed. Okay, I can to put Boolean values in an array, but it's possible to put in an object. Yes, you can to put in an object an array, in an object value, Boolean value, and after this we can loop through this value. I create here now with an object weather conditions. I comment this, and now I create an object. I create an object weather condition with key day of week and Boolean value, true, false, true, false, true. Here I put quote because I have strings. Weather condition of key is true. Okay, let's loop through this using foreign. The syntax is foreign object, no? Foreign object, and I put a condition inside. If weather condition day 2 seconds, we'll analyze after this. It's okay, working. I have an array weather conditions, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 properties. Each properties have a key and a value. Key, value, key, value, key, value. The key are between quotes because I have strings. And when I access the value of this property, should, for example, for first property, weather condition, and I put this day, luni, between quotes. I loop through all this value using let foreign objects. My object is weather condition. It's okay, it's correctly weather condition here, and I put a condition if weather condition and current element, if weather condition of current key, console log key, day key, and a string, else console log key, it's a wonderful day. For example, weather condition, let's see, let me to check, for example, here, console.log weather condition. Why I use here square brackets when I accessing this value? I use because I have these strings. When you work with strings, do you see here these quotes? I work with strings, I should to use brackets, not dot notation. Console.log weather condition, should put this interpolation, day is not defined, I am outside of function. Okay, let me inside the function. I put inside the function, and I have again also the value for each properties. This day, luni, take umbrella is true, correct. March, it's one wonderful day, is false, correct. Wednesday, take umbrella is true, correct. Wednesday, it's a wonderful day, it's false. And Friday, take umbrella, it's true. That is all for today. I hope you understand how to use this Boolean value and how to this Boolean value help you to work properly, to code in JavaScript. All the best, and don't forget to practice in each day, because just in this way you can improve your skills, and you can understand how to use Booleans for your apps. Don't be afraid to use this Boolean. Using Boolean in whatever you want when you coding, and this Boolean will be very helpful for you. All the best. Have